If you're planning to build a wooden chair, choosing the right wood is one of the most important decisions you'll make. You want something strong enough to support weight, durable enough to last for years, and attractive enough to match your style. Let's break down the best options. First up, oak. Oak is a classic hardwood that's incredibly strong and durable. It has a prominent grain pattern and resists wear, making it perfect for everyday chairs that see a lot of use. Maple is another excellent choice. It's slightly lighter in color and has a smooth, fine grain. It's tough, affordable, and easy to work with, especially if you're painting or staining your chair. If you're looking for something more high-end, walnut is a premium hardwood known for its deep, rich color and elegant grain. It's a bit more expensive, but the final result looks stunning, perfect for accent or heirloom chairs. Cherry is another great option. It starts out light reddish brown and darkens over time, developing a warm, rich patina that adds character with age. For those on a budget, birch and beech are solid, cost-effective choices. They're not quite as hard as oak or maple, but they're still strong enough for most chairs and easy to shape and finish. No matter what style you're going for, modern, rustic, or traditional, the right wood will make a huge difference in the quality and look of your finished chair. Choose wisely, and your handmade chair will be something to sit on and be proud of for years to come. While you're here, click the link below to grab 50 woodworking plans and a 440-page guidebook. Absolutely free. You'll be glad you did.